It's time to cook with Susan Beck. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a simple but very tasty dip. The reason this is so simple is there's only 3 ingredients and they're probably things you already have in your house. Cheddar cheese. Today I am going to use a hickory smoked cheddar cheese, but you can use any kind of cheddar cheese, or for that matter even a Colby or something would work. I have cream cheese. It doesn't matter if it's in the brick or in the tub. Just let it sit and soften a bit if it's in the brick. And I'm going to use some deli ham. This will be a warm dip, so you're going to need a container that is oven proof. So I'm going to use this small casserole dip to make my ham and cheese dip. All right, so what do we need to do? Well, we're going to start by spreading that 8 ounces of cream cheese into the bottom of our oven-proof casserole dish. So we'll just take a little spatula here and spread it around until all corners of the dip, or all corners of the container are covered with the cheese, which is the base of our dip. All right, once that is level on all sides, I'm going to use my knife here to get off what's stuck on my spatula. I will then be adding my ham. I want about 1/3 cup of ham, and I'm going to dice that up into small pieces. Start with a few slices here. Grab my sharp knife for this. And just turn it and go the other way so I get small pieces. Let's see how much that is. That looks like it's probably around 1/3 cup, which is what I want. Really, it doesn't make much difference how much you have. Anywhere from 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of ham would be fine. All right, I have a heaping 1/3 cup of ham, and I'm going to spread that across the bottom of my pan as well. So now I have my ham on top of my cream cheese. In fact, I think I'm going to go with another slice there just to cover it better. Depends a little bit on the size of your pan. You know, you want a little ham on every section. A little more ham into my dip. The final thing is to shred your cheddar cheese. Maybe yours is already shredded and you're ready to go. We're going to do 3/4 cup of cheese. Again, it's really kind of up to you if you would like to change up the kind of cheese that you use. This smoked cheese has a really nice flavor to it. Living in Wisconsin like I do, there's lots of choices for cheese. All right, 3/4 cup. I think I guessed that pretty well with maybe a little to spare. Again, it's okay if it's not perfectly measured. This is a very easy recipe for some of my students out there that want to try something. This would be a good one for you. And now we have our 3rd layer. So this is going to go into the microwave. Sorry, not into the microwave, although you probably could. I like to put mine in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll serve this with some crackers. So here's our hot ham and cheese dip right out of the oven. You can see where that cheese has melted all over the top. That's a sign that it's ready to be eaten. Let's give this dip a little taste here. I'll take a little knife and put it on one of my crackers. It's still really hot there. I've got steam rising right off the top of this, but that's one of the things I really like about this dip is that it's a warm dip. Perfect for these cooler, chillier days or for a little appetizer now that football's underway. Again, it's one of the simplest dips you can make, yet it's very, very tasty. Enjoy.